Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and firmware so the console recognizes input. Plug a wired USB mouse and keyboard into the front or back USB ports. If you're using a Bluetooth bridge, connect it to a powered USB port first. Once done, go to Settings System Updates and make sure the console is current so drivers work. Make sure you're signed into the profile you'll use. This avoids permission hiccups when enabling input in games or apps. You now enable and configure input so it feels natural. Go to Settings Devices and Connections mouse to set pointer speed and swap left/right buttons. Fine-tune sensitivity for aiming and menu navigation. Test movement and clicks on the dashboard and in apps like Microsoft Edge, or select compatible games to confirm responsiveness. If aiming feels off, change DPI on the mouse or lower pointer speed. Make sure the specific game. You finish by locking in settings and knowing how to fix common failures. Save any in-game keybinds and test across modes so you know what each key does. If the mouse or keyboard stops responding, restart the Xbox and reset USB plugs. That clears most recognition errors. If problems persist, unplug other USB devices, try different ports, or update your adapter's firmware. Using a wired connection often eliminates wireless adapter quirks and restores reliable input quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.